cloth to fit its size in a tough economic environment. Only spending on education, which is government's number one key priority, sees a much more substantial increase over the next 3 years. Other government departments will see modest increases of around 10 billion rand a year and will have to cancel non-essential programs as part of a new reprioritization drive. Education sees a 52 billion rand injection over the next 3 years, mainly to pay for teacher salaries, which account for more than 60% of the education budget. Health gets an additional 31 billion rand over the next 3 years to improve salaries, buy new equipment, and towards the introduction of a new vaccine for cervical cancer. The budget for social grants also goes up by 30 billion rand over the next 3 years to cater for the growing number of beneficiaries and the steady hiking of the grants because of inflation. Municipal budgets will be beefed up by 35 billion rand to 163 billion rand over the next 3 years. That's to build new houses, rid the country of shacks, especially in mining areas, and to improve water supply. The defense, police, justice, and correctional services budgets will increase by a combined 30 billion rand to 184 billion rand over the next 3 years. Money will be spent on the appointment of more prosecutors, releasing thousands of prisoners tagged with electronic monitoring gadgets in order to ease overcrowding, and increasing the funding for the South African Air Force. Government believes the new expenditure framework strikes the right balance between embarking on austerity but at the same time ensuring there is no adverse impact on economic growth and social welfare. Mbongeni Muchwa, SABC News, Cape Town.